Hello guys, this is Ed the expert. I am back again. Please don't forget to subscribe and welcome on my channel. This is a BMW 4Z and has an engine of 2.5i M54. The problem of this engine has an sporadic engine misfiring. When I was diagnosed on this car and I was used the Maxis Pro, and it's not supported because of old model, so I was decided to use the Lance X431. When I was used the X431 launch, there is no fault code name, only the fault code. So the fault code, I don't know what does it mean. So I use my old data to check the description of the fault code. Take a look on the data, and it was mentioned there the fault code was current, and there is no fault code name. That's why I use it my old data system. So now, even I was erase the fault code, I could not erase it because it is permanent. So you will notice on the dashboard the check engine light, it will comes again. So before you fix the check engine light, you have to know the fault code and fix it, the problem. During the diagnosis, I was found out also the air inlet duct has a crack. Can you see that? That is the air inlet duct. The bypass hose goes to the idle air control. Then I know the fault code name. I just looking for the location of the camshaft sensor. So it was lying on the intake manifold, near the intake manifold, and I was found out that the wire was chopping and the insulated wire has been fractured and melted. So we repaired the wire and has been done. That is the engine. And look at the repaired wire. We just joined the wire and solder because due to non-availability of the parts, we did the repair only.
You have 5 grams?
I did the repair wire only because unable to get these parts. This is Lance X431 I'm using for this model. It's 2002 model. It doesn't read from the Maxis because very old. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all my viewers.